Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 3. Across this module, we will have an opportunity to dive into topics including health equity, social determinants, cultural diversity, health literacy, all of those elements that impact population and healthcare outcomes. Please do take some time to review the population health outcomes relative to this module, as well as the outcomes relative to this unit. Across the readings for this week, you will start out by looking at a helpful resource on health equity titled Community in Action. You will also have content relative to the social determinants of health, as well as Healthy People 2030. There are a number of resources for you on how to improve health equity. There is a description of various innovations that are occurring to improve health equity across different populations. Across the readings include a resource on health disparities as well. As you can see, different populations, different vulnerable populations are looked at across the readings for this week. There will be a focus on the health outcome differences among those people in rural versus urban regions. There will also be a focus on cultural competency. You will be asked to explore the cultural competency of your organization. Assessment questions are available for you to ask. There are also resources relative to how to build resources for the LGBT community. It is important for you to become familiar with all of these resources and know how to access them for these different populations. There are resources relative to health literacy. It is so important that we know how to deliver information in order to provide the most appropriate care to those we serve. Please do take some time to look at the 10 attributes of a health literate healthcare organization and how can you facilitate growth across this topic within your organization. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And I look forward to our discussion across Module 3. Thank you.